Hey everyone, are you tired of struggling with dull hand saws or looking to upgrade your workshop? Whether you're a weekend warrior tackling home projects or a pro who needs reliable power tools, having the right circular saw can make all the difference. Today we're breaking down the 5 best circular saws that deliver power, precision, and value. Let's dive in. First up, we have the DEWALT 20V Max circular saw with a 6.5-inch blade. And this one's perfect if you want cordless freedom without sacrificing performance. It runs on a 5,150 revolutions per minute motor that cuts through tough materials like butter, and the magnesium shoe keeps it lightweight at just under 8 pounds while staying super durable. You get 0 to 50 degree bevel capacity for angled cuts, and that rubber over-molded grip gives you excellent control even during long cutting sessions. One thing to note, battery and charger are sold separately, so factor that into your budget. This is ideal for contractors who need portability on the job site or DIYers who already have DEWALT 20V batteries. Next is the Skil 5087.25-inch corded circular saw. And if you're on a tight budget but still want solid performance, this is your guy. It's got a 13-amp motor that delivers consistent power without worrying about battery life, and it's 15% lighter than older Skil models, so your arms won't get tired. The 51-degree bevel with positive stops at 45 degrees lets you make a wide variety of cuts, and there's a spindle lock for super easy blade changes. The dust blower keeps your cut line clear, so you can see exactly where you're cutting. Perfect for beginners setting up their first workshop or anyone who prefers corded reliability. Third, we've got the DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max circular saw with brake. And this beast is for serious users who need maximum power. It delivers 47% more power than the standard DEWALT 60V saw with its impressive 5,800 revolutions per minute no-load speed. The 7.25-inch blade cuts up to 2 9/16 inches deep at 90 degrees, and the electric brake stops the blade immediately when you release the trigger for safety. You also get an integrated LED for better visibility and a rafter hook for convenient storage between cuts. This tool really shines when you're cutting through thick hardwood or doing heavy-duty framing work all day long. Coming in fourth is the Ryobi 18V5.5-inch circular saw, and this compact option is great if you want something nimble for smaller projects. It makes over 215 cuts per charge with its 4,700 revolutions per minute motor and 18-tooth carbide blade. And at 1 11/16 inches depth of cut, it handles 2x material perfectly. The 50-degree bevel capacity gives you flexibility, and it's part of the Ryobi One Plus system. So if you already have Ryobi batteries, you're good to go. Keep in mind a smaller blade means it won't cut as deep as 7.25-inch saws. This is excellent for trim work, craft projects, or anyone who values maneuverability over heavy-duty cutting power. Last but definitely not least, the One CT1065 10-amp plunge cut track saw with a 6.5-inch blade, and this one's completely different from traditional circular saws. It's designed to work with a track system that gives you table saw accuracy in a portable package, cutting boards up to 2 1/3 inches thick with 0 splintering. The plunge cut feature lets you start cuts in the middle of materials, and you can bevel 45 degrees for angle cuts up to 1 5/8 inches thick. It runs at 5,500 revolutions per minute and has a dust port for cleaner operation. Just know the track is sold separately. This is perfect for cabinet makers, anyone doing precise furniture work, or if you're breaking down full sheets of plywood without a table saw. All right, let's wrap this up. If you need cordless portability with solid power, go with the DEWALT 20V Max. For budget-conscious buyers who want reliable corded performance, the Skil 5080 is excellent. Need maximum power for heavy-duty work? The DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V is worth the investment. The Ryobi 18V is great for light to medium tasks and tight spaces. And if precision track cuts are what you're after, the WN Track saw delivers professional results. All the links to check out these saws are in the description below, where you can see current pricing and availability. Important disclosure: I'm a participant in the Amazon Associates program and earn commissions from qualifying purchases made through the links in the description. This doesn't affect the price you pay whatsoever. These products were selected based on customer reviews and ratings from major online retailers. If you have other recommendations or experience with these saws, definitely drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and happy building!